getting involved in sales, everyone focuses on the money. Show me the money. And everyone becomes very much focused on that aspect of actually coming and actually making as much money as you possibly can do in sales. The hardest thing to tell people is actually there's some stuff you need to learn along the way. And it's just really important as you're learning, you're gonna make mistakes. You know, my son is learning to drive for the first time. You know, when I get in the car, you know, I'll be picking him up later today. He's gonna jump in the car, he's gonna put his L plates on. And that's a sign to other people on the road to know that, hey, this person's a novice, so take it easy. So for those people who are starting in sales, it's important to know, hey, you're new and it's okay to make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. The one thing with sales though is every single mistake you make is probably gonna cost you that sale. If you're cool with that, it's important. That's the best way for you to learn. But if you can come into sales and learn the fundamentals of what it takes to get good at sales, and the quicker you can learn this theory, you actually will start making more revenue faster. Why? The quicker you learn and the quicker you get rid of your L plates, the quicker you can then start to earn and start making an income. So learning and earning go hand in hand. Once you've learned, and then you can start earning. But it's really important to understand what you need to learn. There's 4 fundamentals that I believe help you make money. You've got to learn the KASH theory to help you make cash. I know it doesn't work, but bear with me. Let's talk about attitude first. It goes without saying, you've got to have a positive attitude. I'll cover this an awful lot. An attitude is something you can sense from someone. You can sense through the camera that I'm being positive. My tone, my body language, you can hear, you can see, you can sense, you can feel attitude. It's something that people sense, and it's what people pick up on, and it's why people buy. People buy from people they like. I like you, I will buy from you. I like the way you come across. You seem to have a good attitude. I will therefore buy from you. I'll ask you, have you ever bought from someone who didn't have a good attitude? Okay, knowledge. You want to buy from people that are knowledgeable. You've got to know your stuff. It's really important for you to go and actually get the knowledge from the people who are the expert in the field of the product that you're actually going to sell. Invariably, these people have been around for a while. They know exactly what to say, when to say it, and how to say it. They've got a system and a process they follow. Get the knowledge on that system and that process. Coming around here to develop skills. It's important for you to work on your skill sets. And the way you work on your skill sets is one way, through practicing. A lot of people who get involved in sales, learn a sales presentation, they've been through the training and go out and actually just practice on customers. You can do that, providing you're aware that obviously you're gonna make some mistakes, and obviously you've got your L's on, so people are gonna say no, and that's gonna happen. But that's how you hone and improve your skills. Skills take time. Some of the best athletes in the world are the best athletes in the world is because they've been doing it for a very, very long time. If you're new to sales, give yourself time to work on the skills. But it's really fundamental though with the last one, habits. There's a lot of people who play golf, who go to the golf driving range, who obviously go and hit a lot of golf balls. And they say, I'm playing golf and I'm hitting a lot of golf balls, but I'm not getting any better. But then you hear another golfer who goes and gets, here it comes, lessons and develops the right habits for holding the club, develops the right skill sets, the right attitude, the right mentality from a professional, and develops the good habits. If you can develop the good habits around your sales process and you do things right all of the time more often than not, you will actually develop and obviously build a cash theory, and obviously the cash is going to end up in on your bottom line and in your back pocket. If you haven't worked it out already, I know you're going to say cash is cash, but knowledge, attitude, skills, habits. Habits need to be part of your knowledge. Habits need to be part of your skills, and your habit needs to be having a positive attitude. Let having a positive attitude become addictive. Let it become something that when you go home at night, you're just positive and you develop that habit too.